Alright, it's been a while since the latest video, and so I decided to make a new one after all this time. I've been a little sick lately, so I haven't had energy to go out and film at all. After the so-called 100 subscriber special, there has been so many new subscribers that I'm absolutely stunned. So thank you all for that. I don't know, I might have something new in this video, not sure yet. Yesterday I tested the field. The grip is amazing. I guess you'll see it in the video. Without further talking, let's get into it. Okay. I thought that I'm going to drive the whole day, but something else came up, so I had to do some other stuff before I could continue riding. So I guess that's it for this time. So I don't know. Let's hope that I get to record at least once more this year. So we'll see about that, anyways. But yeah. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and leave a like. I'm gonna keep doing this every now and then when I feel so. So until the next time, goodbye.